Like, let's just be trying.
It's a great day to be a girl named Desiree, and thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I am Desiree Chanel. So in today's video, I'm giving y'all what you wanted, okay? We are here with my birthday look. Now, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I don't know what you're doing with your life. Like, what are you doing? It's free. Just go ahead and type in _ Desiree Chanel, and you will find this face. But on there, I showed you all my birthday look. If you don't know, my birthday was September the 19th, last Wednesday, and I turned the big 24. So I'm just super blessed. I'm super happy to be 24. I can't believe next year I'll be 25. I'm just like, oh God, I'm getting old, please. But anyway, you guys went crazy over this look when I showed you guys. I did a little poll on my Instagram and I asked if you guys wanted to see this look, and of course all of you guys said yes. So here it is. It was super simple, super easy. I feel like I say that all the time and then y'all hit me like, it's not easy. It really is. Y'all just gotta pay attention and y'all will see, okay? I did zoom in on my eye again this time so you guys can see what I'm doing. I don't show you my makeup because all of it is always the same. If you're wondering about my luscious puff, this is all me. Yes, girl. You know what we call that? Growth, okay? Like Kelly said, growth, okay? I will have a video on this. I don't know which video is gonna come first, whether it's gonna be the puff or my eyeshadow, but it'll be up there, so don't you worry. So in this look, I did use a total of 2 palettes. So the main one I used was my Revolution Fierce as Fire. So it looks like this. And I did get this free from Ulta. So when you bought, I wanna say, you had to buy like $15 worth of stuff from Revlon products themselves. Why am I saying Revlon? Revolution products themselves, and then you got this for free. So the colors I use, they don't have any names, they just have numbers. So I'll open it up. I used number 9, which is this color, and then number 7, which is this color. And then I also use, y'all know my favorite palette of all time right now. Well, not of all time, but a bitch ain't got no palette, so it is what it is.
I'm broke, nigga, I'm broke!
I used my Jaclyn Heel palette, and I used a brown shade just as my transition color. So I'll show you guys what that is. And it's called Puki or Puki. I don't know, child. Her and these damn names. I'm not trying to figure it out. But that's what I used. And then the star of the show. Oh no, I'm lying. I did use another color. On the outer corner, that dark color you see, I used the color Jazz, I don't know, J-A-C-Z. Y'all figure it out. I used that color. But the star of the show is my Stila in Rose Gold. Oh, child. In Rose Gold Retro, and it looks like this. So this is that glittery color you see on my lids. Again, it was super simple, super easy, super quick. And I'm trying to think, y'all, is that it? Yeah, of course, all the products will be down in the description bar, so you don't have to work. Bar or box? Is it bar? Box?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I don't know, it'll be down there, so just look for it, okay? And yeah, that's it. I want to thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about me. And of course, hit that little bell so you never miss an upload. And keep giving me suggestions, whatever you guys want to see, what looks, what tutorials you want to see. Don't forget to let me know. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MC I to cut the phone poles. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. Have 8 on bell, make my email stop. cause you a bugaboo. You're bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my feet, but you're just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every time